Whales, despite their massive size, are able to float and swim efficiently due to several biological and physical adaptations. Here's a detailed look at how these marine giants manage to stay buoyant and navigate through the water. Buoyancy and density. Whales have a thick layer of blubber, which is a type of fat. Blubber is less dense than water, providing buoyancy and helping the whale to float. This is crucial as it reduces the energy whales need to stay afloat. Whales also have large lungs that can hold a significant amount of air. When they take a deep breath, the air in their lungs increases their overall buoyancy. This helps them to float more easily at the surface. Body structure and adaptations. Whales have a streamlined body shape that reduces water resistance. This allows them to move efficiently through the water with less effort. Their large pectoral fins or flippers and flukes or tail fins are powerful and enable them to steer and propel themselves through the water. The flukes move up and down, providing thrust, while the pectoral fins aid in steering and stability. 3. Swimming mechanics. Whales have strong muscles, especially in their tails, which they use to propel themselves forward. The up and down motion of the flukes generates lift and thrust, allowing the whale to swim efficiently. The up and down movement of the tail flukes creates lift, much like an airplane wing. This lift helps to counteract the whale's weight and aids in swimming. 4. Behavioral adaptations. Whales can control their buoyancy by regulating the amount of air in their lungs. Before diving, they expel most of the air to reduce buoyancy and sink more easily. When they need to surface, they inhale a large amount of air to increase buoyancy. 5. Bone structure. Unlike terrestrial mammals, whales have less dense bones, which helps to reduce their overall density. This contributes to their buoyancy and ability to float. Conclusion. Whales manage to float and swim despite their enormous weight through a combination of buoyant blubber, large lung capacity, streamlined body shape, powerful muscles, and behavioral adaptations. These features allow them to navigate the ocean efficiently, making the most of their massive size and strength.